everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss very much important topic, that is of the causing of miscarriage. This is very much important, you people should know this. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं causing miscarriage कौन से सेक्शन के अंदर है IPC के, तो बताओ क्या है उसका आंसर. Yes, what is the answer of it? The answer is सेक्शन 312 के अंदर है. मैं आपसे पूछूं causing miscarriage without women's consent, is it punishable or not? कौन सा सेक्शन बोलता है बताइए मुझे, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So today in this video we will be doing section 312, 313 and 314 in this video. You people should know each and every particular section. Now let us start. Before let me start, I would like to tell you people some of the important meaning of the terms. जो ये अभी तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं causing miscarriage 312 में पढ़ेंगे. ओके 312 में हम पढ़ेंगे causing miscarriage. बट आप ये मुझे बताओ क्या miscarriage IPC के अंदर डिफाइंड है? Yes, any one of you can tell me. Yes or no? No. Miscarriage is nowhere defined in the Indian Penal Code. So, miscarriage का मतलब क्या होता है? We have often seen that miscarriage term जो है ना, it is synonymously used with the word abortion, right? See, medically, three distinct terms, namely abortion, miscarriage, premature labor. These are used to denote the expulsion of a fetus at different stages of gestation. अब जो ये टर्म है abortion is used only when an ovum is expelled within the first month of pregnancy. Is used only when an ovum is expelled within the first months of the pregnancy before the placenta is formed. Means placenta के फॉर्म होने से पहले. मिसकैरेज की बात करूं तो मिसकैरेज इज यूज्ड व्हेन अ फीटस इज एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम द यूट्रस फ्रॉम द 4th to the 7th month of gestation before it is viable. While if I talk about now premature labor, so premature labor is the delivery of a viable child, possibly capable of being reared before it has become fully mature. This is as per the जो मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया, this is as per PSA Pillai Criminal Law Book 14th edition. You people should know about these terms given under that book if you people have properly studied that. These three terms, ठीक है, इसकी डेफिनेशन. एबॉर्शन को हम यूज़ कब करते हैं, एबॉर्शन का टर्म कब यूज़ किया जाता है, मिसकैरेज का कब, प्रीमेच्योर लेबर का कब. यू पीपल शुड नो दिस. आई होप आपको समझ में आया. ठीक है, यू पीपल शुड नो दिस. अगेन आई विल से नाउ व्हाट सेक्शन 312 सेज. अभी हमने क्या बोला, इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉजिंग मिसकैरेज से रिलेटेड है सेक्शन 312. 312 says that whoever voluntarily causes a woman with the child to miscarry shall, if such miscarriage be not caused in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the woman, be punished with the imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. And if the woman be quick with child, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. So section 312 is talking about what? Section 312 जो है, सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ, voluntarily, जो ये word I have highlighted over here, is defined under which section of the Indian Penal Code? Tell me people below in the comment box. कहाँ पे डिफाइंड है, कौन से सेक्शन के अंदर? It means a person knows or has reason to believe is likely to cause the intended effect. Thus, intention to cause miscarriage और मेंसेरिया एक essential ingredient होते हैं ऑफेंस के लिए. ठीक है, ये क्या इंक्लूड करते हैं? जैसे कि इट इंक्लूड सच एक्ट्स एज एडमिनिस्ट्रिंग मेडिसिन टू अ प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन जिसकी वजह से अबॉर्शन हो जाए. अब 312 की हमने ये सेक्शन रीड आउट करा, तो सेक्शन 312 क्या इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट? सो इट इज डीलिंग विद अ सिचुएशन वेयर द मिसकैरेज इज कॉज्ड विद द कंसेंट ऑफ द विमेन. ठीक है, मिसकैरेज इज कॉज्ड with the consent of the women. Thus, the women herself whose miscarriage was caused वो भी liable होती है to be punished under this section. Whoever voluntarily causes a woman with the child to miscarry shall, if such miscarriage be not caused in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the women, be punished with imprisonment. ठीक है, अब इसको भी हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. पहले आप सुनो, मैंने क्या बोला अभी. 312 जो है सेक्शन, ये बताता है इस सिचुएशन के ऊपर डील कर रहा है जहाँ पे मिसकैरेज विमेन की कंसेंट के साथ हो रही है, और विमेन हरसेल्फ जिसका मिसकैरेज हो रहा है वो भी लायबल होगी पनिशमेंट के लिए इस सेक्शन के अंदर. जो ऑफेंस इस सेक्शन के अंदर हो रहा है वो पनिशेबल है विथ imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 7 years और साथ में फाइन के साथ. If however the same offense of causing miscarriage is done with the consent of the women, it is by virtue of section 313 which we will be looking after, वो भी punishable होगा for 10 years तक. However, section 313 जो है, however, under this section 313, the person who is procuring the abortion alone is liable to be punished. Whereas under 312, the women is also liable for the punishment as per the case of Tulsi Devi versus State of Uttar Pradesh 1996. Write it down by stopping the video. Okay, now see. अब causing of the miscarriage, let me read out the section 313 also, तब हम दोनों को पढ़ेंगे. एक बार आप 313 के ऊपर भी फोकस करिए. वो बोलता है causing miscarriage without women's consent, women के consent के बिना miscarriage करना. अब whoever commits the offense defined in the last preceding section, यानी कि 312 causing miscarriage without the consent of the women, whether the woman is quick with the child or not, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. तो वहाँ पे women भी क्या हो, यहाँ पे क्या बोलता है, मिसकैरेज हो रहा है women के कंसेंट के बिना. हेडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग हम बात कर रहे हैं. causing miscarriage without the consent of women. कोई भी अगर ऑफेंस कमिट कर रहा है जो 312 सेक्शन के अंदर जो भी अब डिफाइंड है बिना विमेन के कंसेंट के, वेदर द विमेन इज क्विक विद द चाइल्ड और नॉट, तो वो जो है साफ सीधी बात है, इट इज़ पनिशेबल विद द इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर अ टर्म विच मे एक्सटेंड टू 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. ठीक है, this you people should know. This is very very much important. So causing the death of the women while causing miscarriage is a further aggravated form of the offense described earlier under section 312 and 313. You people should know the punishments prescribed under section 312, 313. क्यों मैंने यहाँ पे 312 के अंदर क्या बोला था, ये देखो हेडिंग 312 के अंदर क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. अ विमेन हु कॉजेज हरसेल्फ टू मिसकैरी, इसमें जो ये टर्म है ना, देखिए आप, इसका मतलब है इट इज़ कमिंग अ विमेन हु कॉजेज हरसेल्फ टू मिसकैरी इज विद इन द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेक्शन. सो विमेन इज हैविंग it is dealing in situation where the miscarriage is caused with the consent of the women. So thus the women herself whose miscarriage was caused is also liable to be punished under this section. Remember this. Got it? Now what section 314 says? See, it says that death caused by act done with the intent to cause miscarriage. Death caused by act done with the intention. Intention से करा गया है miscarriage. Now see, whoever with intent to cause the miscarriage of a woman with child does any act which causes the death of such women shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to the 10 years imprisonment and shall also be liable to fine. Section 314 is again important one. It is saying that आप पहले पैरा 2 भी पढ़ लेते हैं. It says that पहला वाला पैरा क्या बोल रहा है? With the intent to cause the miscarriage of a woman with the child. ये आप भी रीड आउट करा था. दूसरा बोलता है if act done without women's consent and if the act is done without the consent of women shall be punished with imprisonment above with the punishment above mentioned. Explanation: it is not essential to this offense that the offender should know the act is likely to cause death. See, as per section 314 of the Indian Penal Code, when an act is done with the intention of causing miscarriage, but which act results in death, then it is an act punishable by imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years. अगर हम प्रोविजंस देखें तो वो सफिशिएंट हैं. इट इज़ सफिशिएंट दैट इफ द इंटेंट इज ओनली टू कॉज मिसकैरेज एंड नॉट डेथ. इंटेंशन टू कॉज डेथ एक असेंशियल एलिमेंट है ऑफ द क्राइम और वो सफिशिएंट है टू शो दैट एन एक्ट विच इज कैरीड आउट विद द इंटेंट टू कॉज मिसकैरेज resulted in the death of the women to bring home the offense under this section. See, we can see a direct nexus between act done by the accused and the death of the women needs to be proved. ये बोला गया था कौन से केस में? It was held in the case of, you people kindly write it down, Madan Raj Bhandari versus State of Rajasthan, AIR 1973. Whatever I said right now. Stop the video, थोड़ा सा पीछे जाओ, दोबारा सुनो, लिखो उसे. सुनने की हैबिट डालो, तभी आप लोग अच्छे से उसे लिख भी पाओगे. और जो ये एक्सप्लेनेशन है ना इसके अंदर, it provides that it is not even essential that the offender should know that the act is likely to cause death, it says. So under section 314, if the miscarriage resulting in the death of the woman is done without her consent, then the punishment prescribed is harsher, which can include even life imprisonment as well. अगर हम सेक्शन 312 दोबारे देखें तो वहाँ पे आप लोगों ने एक टर्म देखा होगा कि whoever voluntarily causes death of a woman with the child to miscarry shall, if such miscarriage be caused in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the women. अब एक्सेप्शंस भी आपको पता होने ज़रूरी है 312 में. See, section 312 exempts person who may cause miscarriage in good faith for the purpose of saving the life of the women. In such situation, the person is not liable under the section. He is liable if the abortion is not carried out in good faith. If pregnant women की लाइफ को बचाने के लिए abortion करना ज़रूरी था, then the person is not liable under this section because that was under the good faith in order to protect the life of the women. So this is one of the exception under section 312. Kindly read it out properly, then you people will get to know about it more broadly. So you people can also prefer the case of Dr. Jacob George versus State of Kerala 1994 regarding this exception which I said right now. And if you people have any doubt, you people can tell me below in the comment box, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. और आई होप आप लोगों को ये समझ में आया होगा सेक्शन 312 टू सेक्शन 314. वी विल बी अपलोडिंग मोर आई विल बी अपलोडिंग मोर वीडियोज़ सून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.